All right, here I am Friday night. Gonna get going here on finishing up some stuff. Got the handy dandy profab mounts that showed up from Craig over at Dynamic Headers. Anyway, gotta make those and weld them to make them fit, and then we're gonna get on with some more wiring and chassis setup and a few other things. So gonna hurry up and start getting going on it, get on with it, get this thing done. Got to put these straps on the intake manifold. That's gonna take a little time, digging the bolts out there and the runners. And but we're getting close. We're gonna make some smoke tomorrow. Hopefully on Sunday we'll show a video of this thing running. And still working on the front end too. Been working on the hole in the front end for the Pro Charger. So it's not a giant hole like most of them get. So gonna be hoping that hole is big enough. So we'll see. Anyway, gonna be working on this stuff and installed our new window net from Taylor. Those will have the SFI with dates and stuff. So that's actually an update from Bickle with the up inside. I'll have to weld that. So that is one more thing I've got to weld. So got to get on with that deal. So anyway, keep checking us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all the sites that we're on, and we'll keep putting the videos up. Well, we got Mike here. And I am working on the Pro Mod again. It's Saturday morning. Hopefully today, if not tomorrow, I'm gonna do some electrical stuff still. I've got to wire up a few things, and then go over all the logic and everything and make sure everything's working. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. I did get all the the header struts and stuff accomplished. I got all those made up, welded, and ready to go. I got the window net stuff done up inside here. I got that all done. Hooked up the fuel tech line there for the boost manifold pressure. Put a sensor on. Just little things. Little things take time. Got the drive line in and all the covers and stuff. Had to get a new drive line again. When I moved the motor up, that changed my driveline length. So I put the screws to me. So thanks for Mike over at Dynamic Drivelines helping me out and getting me another driveline ASAP. So appreciate that. Today we'll be setting up the rest of the car, getting all the rear end stuff done, getting the 4-link set. After we get ride height and get the rest of the weight in the car, we'll be adding weight, probably about 100 pounds, I'm guessing. So most of that will be going in the car. So I'm going to do some time-lapse video today as I'm working on the car. It's not going to be real exciting because I'm going to be in there most of the time. So check us out on YouTube, and I'm going to get it going. We'll get this thing making noise this weekend. Get ready for next weekend's test session in Bakersfield. Hopefully we can get this old bitch to go fast. Here we go, Saturday night. We've already cracked this thing off once, but we're gonna turn up some fuel pressure and set a couple things, and still got to set the timing stuff. Haven't done that yet. A few more things to wire. It's been a long day so far, but right, Monty?
Yep. Yep.
Anyway, so here we go. Let y'all listen to it run. Oh, better get it this way.
Yeah.
Just start cranking up. We're gonna go to 80. Oh man,
She sounds good.
hell yeah. Here we go. Keep watching. We're gonna fine tune some stuff up here and try to get most of everything else done tomorrow. Got a few more things to do to the front end, and we'll be testing this thing next weekend. Keep watching us on our YouTube channel, Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube. And here we go. Well, here we are, Sunday morning, week before test. Showed a video. We had the car running last night actually. Today it's just going to be a lot of getting the car ready, and we are looking at the scales. Got the scales, and we're going to be setting up the 4-link. A lot of people don't realize all the setups and everything that goes along with it. Car setup super important, so could take a good portion of the day to do that. Wanted to show a video of the OG. We have it torn apart. Some difference. Talk about some of the differences. This car here is a 2,900 pound car. Has a wheelbase, front to rear, center of the wheels, 112 inch. The Pro Mod over here has a 115-inch wheelbase, carbon fiber body, 7/8 scale. See the windshield's laid back. You see that car? It's a lot bigger car. This car is 250 pounds lighter than that car. That car has a lot of steel, a lot of heavy things going on. As you can see, it's in pieces still right now, but there's just a lot more car there than there is here. Same components can go from one car to the other. The big deal about it is truly the weight difference, the body difference. You can see this one's longer. The overall length of the body as it's stretched out, laid down, roof's laid back. And as you can see on the OG, it's not. So lots of differences between the cars. We run the same drivetrain, like I said, from front to rear. You know, if it's the engine, Pro Charger setup, transmission, same type of drive line, rear end center section, that's all the same too. We run a 10-inch gear on there with this M&M Turbo 400 with the M&M converter. So there's a lot going on, but it's basically the same stuff. We may run different ratios from one car to the other, but for the most part, they're the same. So just a little factual information. Shop's a mess right now, so don't take too much into that. But that's what happens when you're thrashing. So we're going to get it all set up today, get the weight in it, get the ride height right, get the 4-link right, whatever time that takes, fit the front end, get that on there, and proceed forward. It's cold in here this morning. It's like 45 degrees. So we might have to fire up the heater, get that going. I got one of those handy dandy diesel blower heaters, and warm it up in here and get it done. As you can see, we got the laptop there. We've been working on all that. So getting all the logic right and smart wire, and got the car running. Pretty excited about that. So check us out and like and subscribe when we get to the next step on every 1,000. We're doing giveaways. So help punt us to that, and we're going to do a giveaway again on pistons and rods and shirts and hats and things like that. So like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and we'll continue building that. So keep watching. We'll keep making videos. Sunday night, me and Marty finishing up here. Still have a little bit of electrical to do and test a few things, but the car setup's done. Just gonna show everybody a little bit of what we got going on here, and here we go. It's got another killer on the starting line. It's sitting low. So yeah, we'll be testing next weekend in Bakersfield on the 10th, 11th, and 12th. Hopefully we can make this thing go really fast, and then we'll be heading off to Florida after that for the World Series Pro Mod.